This was a mistake. I regret this a lot.
You are a toy!
Welcome to Cooking with Chris. Hello, welcome to Cooking with Christmas with Ray.
It's Christmas with Cooking with Ray. Christmas.
Welcome to Cooking with Ray, Christmas edition. Today we'll be making a classic Christmas traditional meal, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Now, so these are very simple but very nostalgic. You need bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Or if you're feeling adventurous, jam with jelly. I don't know. Do what you want. It's freaking peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Anyway, so first thing we'll need is bread. Let me go grab that. Who ate all the bread? Someone ate all the bread. Okay, that's fine. We don't have any bread. I'll go get some. One sec. Alright, we got bread. Alright, now it's very simple. The next step is, well, I guess you should get your other ingredients. Here we have some delicious boysenberry fruit spread. It's practically jelly. Now you need peanut butter. Hey, all the peanut butter! It's fine, it's fine. I'll just go get some peanut butter. Alright, we got peanut butter. Alright. Now, get a plate. You're gonna want to get two slices of bread. Now, this is very important. Get a knife. Grab your peanut butter. Stick your knife in the peanut butter. This is very important. Now, put the peanut butter on the bread using the knife. Now spread it. Just slap it on. Okay. Now that you have applied your peanut butter, you may get your jelly. Get your jelly. Put the jelly on the slice of bread. Now this is very important. Using the said knife that we used before for the peanut butter, touch the jelly and move it around. This is what we in the cooking industry call spreading. Spread the jelly. A lot of jelly. Now if you have some extra, just put it over here. There we go. Now, this step is crucial. If you mess this up, you are an imbecile. Take the bread. Place the bread onto the other slice of bread. Behold, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, as it is Christmas, I thought we'd do something special. I thought, what if we made the sandwich into Christmas shape? Okay, now what you're gonna want to do here is cut off this corner right here. Kabam! You made the ghost of Christmas past! Congratulations! Alright, thank you for watching Cooking with Ray Christmas edition. It's been great. Thanks for watching. Sandwich! I ain't going back to jail. Not this time.